Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video where we will learn how to see who saved your Spotify playlist. Many Spotify users want to know exactly who saved or liked their playlist. However, Spotify does not currently provide a feature that shows the specific users who saved your playlist. You can still see how popular your playlist is. Start by opening the Spotify app and go to your library. Click on your profile icon in the top left, then open your profile. Here you will see your playlists and how many people have saved them. You'll also see how many followers you have and how many users you follow. While Spotify shows follower counts, the identities of listeners who saved a playlist remain private. This is a design choice by Spotify to protect user privacy. If you want more engagement details, Spotify for Artists can show general listener statistics. However, it still does not reveal the names of individual users. That's it. We learned that Spotify does not show exactly who saved a playlist, but you can still view the total number of likes or followers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.